Welcome to Reviewsinsidetv. Today we're taking a closer look at the Shark WV410BL WANDVAC cordless hand vacuum. This ultra-lightweight, portable powerhouse is designed for quick, efficient cleanups at home and in the car. With impressive suction power, it's built for tackling tough messes, especially those pet-related debris that seem to appear everywhere. Let's see if this compact vacuum can truly live up to its claims. The Shark WV410BL is a cordless hand vacuum that promises the most suction of any hand vacuum under 1.5 pounds. If you're used to the lightweight, portable style of hand vacs, but don't want to compromise on performance, this model might just have what you need. It's equipped with a boost mode for extra suction when you need it most, perfect for lifting up larger particles or stubborn dirt that your regular vacuum might struggle with. Whether you're tackling debris on your carpets, upholstery, or in your car, the Shark WANDVAC has a tool for it. For homes with pets, it comes with a specialized pet tool with a bristle brush designed to remove pet hair from delicate fabrics and furniture, something that pet owners will definitely appreciate. Now let's talk about ease of use. The WANDVAC has a detachable dust cup and a removable filter housing, making maintenance a breeze. You won't be stuck fiddling around to clean it out. Simply pop out the dust cup and clean the filter, and you're good to go. The design of this vacuum is also incredibly ergonomic. Its compact size and lightweight build make it easy to carry around, whether you're tackling messes on your couch or in your car. The slim design also allows for better maneuverability, especially in tight spots. If you're cleaning on the go, you'll be pleased to know that this vacuum delivers 50% more runtime than the original WANDVAC. So you can take on more messes without constantly recharging. And when it's time to recharge, the sleek charging dock ensures that your vacuum is always ready when you need it. Plus, the onboard accessory storage means you won't have to go hunting for your tools. They're always within reach. But it's not just about pet hair and dust. The WANDVAC also comes with the Duster Crevice tool, which makes it perfect for cleaning tight spaces, like those hard-to-reach corners in your car or between furniture cushions. The vacuum's powerful suction ensures that even the tiniest particles won't be left behind. Plus, with its one-touch dust cup emptying, you won't get your hands dirty. A simple press of a button and you're done. Testing this vacuum out, I found that it worked exceptionally well on various surfaces. The suction is strong enough to lift fine dust and larger debris off hard floors, while the pet tool helped tackle embedded pet hair on my couch with ease. It also did a great job picking up crumbs and dirt on upholstery without leaving anything behind. As for the car, the Duster Crevice tool was a game changer. Getting into those tight corners was never so easy. But while the WANDVAC performed admirably, it did have a few quirks. For one, while it's lightweight, prolonged use can strain your hand, especially if you're cleaning larger areas. And though the suction is powerful, it could drop off a bit when switching between power modes, especially in boost mode. Now, the Shark WANDVAC is a solid performer for its price, especially if you're looking for something lightweight and highly portable. But how does it compare to other vacuums on the market? When you compare it to similar models, like the Dyson Humdinger or the Black Decker Max cordless hand vacuum, the Shark WANDVAC stands out in terms of its ergonomic design and specialized pet tools. However, while it's great for small messes and quick cleanups, it may not be the best option for heavier duty cleaning, especially in larger homes with extensive carpeting. The build quality of the WANDVAC is strong for a handheld vacuum. The materials feel solid, and the vacuum has a premium look without feeling bulky. The dust cup is easy to remove and clean, but the filter may require more frequent maintenance compared to models with bagged systems. As for longevity, the battery seems to hold up well for its size, but it may not last as long as some corded models or larger cordless vacuums. However, Shark has a good reputation for reliability, so it's likely to last a decent amount of time with proper care. In terms of customer support, Shark has generally been known for their helpful service. If you run into any issues, their team is responsive, and their warranty coverage offers some peace of mind. I didn't need to contact them for this review, but if past experiences are anything to go by, they're fairly reliable. To wrap things up, the Shark WV410BL WANDVAC is an excellent choice for those who need a lightweight, powerful vacuum for small spaces, cars, or quick cleanups at home. Its strong suction, especially in boost mode, and versatility with attachments make it a solid option, particularly for pet owners. While it might not be the best for heavy-duty cleaning or large areas, it's more than capable of handling everyday messes with ease. If you're looking for a compact, cordless vacuum that delivers power without the weight, this could be a great fit for you. If you're still on the fence, don't forget to check the link in the comments box to grab yours. And if you already own one, feel free to share your experiences in the comments below. Did it make cleaning your home easier? Thanks for tuning in to Reviewsinsidetv. Until next time, may your floors stay spotless and your messes stay small.